Hi everybody, welcome to the Crest at Sugarloaf. This is our spectacular 2-bed, 2-bath bedroom apartment. You have a nice foyer nook right here. Directly through to the left, you're gonna have your gourmet kitchen. Great cabinets, 42 inches, white appliances. We do have some with black, just depending on the style. And here you're gonna have your laundry room directly through there. Some apartments offer washer and dryers, others offer hookup and connection. Directly across from the gourmet kitchen, you're gonna have the beautiful spacious bedroom. This is the master side with a queen bed. You can also fit a king though. This is just an idea. Right across from the bed, you see the walk-in closet, linen closet to the left. So you can do a lot in here, super spacious, lots of storage. And then through here, you're gonna have the master bathroom. Now this does have a garden-sized tub. All of our bathrooms have garden tubs. You got the nice vanity, cabinet space, and drawers below. And then again, across from the bathroom, you have your linen closet. So back through the hallway, you see the gourmet kitchen again, and then we're gonna go through here. This is the nice living room. It does have a nook area for your entertainment center, or if you're on the 3rd floor, there's potential chance that you'll have a fireplace. So keep that in mind when you choose your floor plan. Across from the living room space, you're gonna have the nice dining room. There's some separation there. You have the bar right from the kitchen, good for entertaining. And then through the guest side right here, you're gonna start off with the workstation. We do have the beautiful arches and this 2-bed, 2-bath. To the left of the workstation, you're gonna have the guest bathroom. Again, garden-sized tub, super spacious, nice big cabinets below. Oh, you're gonna have your linen closet right there. And then across from the guest bathroom, you're gonna have the guest bedroom. So again, super spacious. This is a queen. It does fit a king though. You're gonna have the nice walk-in closet as well for all of our clothes lovers. And then again, across you can do a little dresser, chair, however you wanna make it more homey, of course. And then here we are, and this is the whole apartment. Call us at 770-277-8484 for any more questions. We'll be glad to help you. Thank you.